They've clipped my wings again, tore them apart and then left me. No use to fly away to my yesterday of freedom. My eyes died back that day, seeing the hurt I may have done. Beat me instead of them, pain is my only zen of fun. Are sown where roses unfold. I'll sleep as time rolls by. So hiding here is where I belong, dreaming a song, blood on my hand to stay strong. The flowers in the graveyard are all gone. I don't belong. There is no right to heal the wrong. Soups on hot, feeling like a die. I can't grow up, I don't think I even wanna try. You still can't make me cry. You've been this butterfly